What do you think about baby birds? Cute, aren't they? I guess. Robins look like, they're baby robins. They always look like little fucking monsters, but excuse what I said. But they do. I'm right here taping the robins. What do you want? I'm right here taping the robins. What do you want? All right. I guess I've ignored or messed with them long enough. They are cute though. They're actually getting a really good close-up picture of them. All right. I'll let them alone because Mother Robin will be over here killing me.